In today's video, I'm going to be working on this VW Golf and giving it a thorough exterior clean, using the help of some products which have been kindly sent to test out and get my honest thoughts on. I started off on the wheels using Green Star at a 1:9 dilution just to give them a thorough pre-wash. I then used two chemicals directly on the wheels, so these are Built Amber Auto Wheel on the alloys and Yum Undress on the tyres, and then I also popped a little bit of the Soft 99 shampoo in the wheel bucket as well. Built Amber Auto Wheel is a very popular product that I'm sure doesn't really need much introduction. This is a 2-in-1 wheel cleaner, which means it has iron fallout removal capabilities, and it does have a lot of cleaning power to it. It's not as powerful as something like an acidic wheel cleaner, which I only use in very specific circumstances, but to deep clean pretty dirty wheels like this, it's very, very effective. Yum Undress again is a very powerful tyre cleaner and really does help to prep them for a tyre dressing later on in the video. As there was quite a lot of mud build-up in the arches when I was cleaning this car, I did also think that it would benefit from a quick undercarriage clean using this pressure washer attachment. This just helps to blast away any loose mud and only takes me a few minutes. To pre-wash the paintwork, I went for the Koshemi duo of Green Star at a 1:9 dilution on the dirtier areas, such as the lower sections and the rear of the car, and then their gentle snow foam over the top of it. I've used this duo quite a lot in the past, and it does definitely work for dirtier vehicles like this that are going to need that extra hit on those lower sections, and gentle snow foam does have the benefit of quite a long dwell time to really allow that pre-wash to soak the car thoroughly before rinsing it off. If you are enjoying the video so far, then it would be great if you gave it a like, as it does really help to support the channel. And as always, all the products, including the chemicals, equipment and accessories that I'm using here, will be linked in the description. The shampoo of choice today was Soft 99's Creamy Neutral Shampoo. This shampoo is really great when I am working in warmer conditions, as it's slightly acidic so helps soften the water, and also doesn't really leave any streaks if it happens to dry out briefly. Although it was only about 16 degrees Celsius at this point in time, the direct sun on a dark blue vehicle can definitely present some challenges, so using a shampoo like this just helps make my life a little bit easier. The only drawback of this one is that you do have to use quite a lot of it, so it's not particularly economical. To protect the paintwork today, I went for ACHQ, which is a spray sealant that also works as a drying aid. It can be applied to a ceramic coated vehicle or used standalone, as I am here. Although applying it to dry paintwork would result in a more durable finish, I was conscious of the temperature here and I was working in direct sun on some panels, so applying it to wet paint and essentially diluting that product a little bit just meant that I wasn't going to run into issues with streaks quite as much. Sometimes I have to change my approach a little bit when working on cars in these conditions, as I do want to make sure I'm applying some protection, but I don't want to use any products that are going to cause me too much issue. The tyre dressing that I went for today was Autoglan's TT Serum. This has some conditioning effects, so it helps to moisturise that sidewall, as well as leave a nice finish. The cream-based consistency makes it easy to get that even application, and the finish isn't too greasy or shiny looking for my personal taste.